Hello there. I just thought to show you some of what you may expect when you buy this kind of machine in the name of robotic dust remover. As you can see here, they said that it can sweep, it can do a vacuum cleaning and mops. As many people would want that to be done for them when they are maybe watching a television or watching a movie. So I just want us to be precise and see what is inside. Let us now open this box together. So here we have, as you can see, this is a manual. The manual is, you can find manual in English, in many languages, I think, like many languages, like I don't know, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Oh, there are like 20 languages there. So this is your manual. As you can see there, the company is ROVUS. So here we go. We'll do them one by one and see what the package has for us. You'll see what's also they're saying here when you want to start, the time of charging, how to start it, how to use the remote control, etc. So here we have, from the package, here we have this is charging system, or let me say charger. And again, here we have brush is there, and we have very beautiful remote control. Can you see that? This is the remote control. Yeah, very beautiful. I think it has a screen. Later we'll see on my next video, we'll see how to navigate with this remote control, controlling this thing to go under the chairs, under the couch, under your bed, and see you watch your movie. It will work for you. So this is a remote control, very beautiful, as you can see. There we go. And you have, yes, there's a duster. Later in the next video, when we will be fixing it, we will show us what how to put it or how to fix these things. And there we go. And here comes I think this is the leg. Yeah, this is the leg, where you put the batteries when you're charging it. Here is a LED. You will see LED here, and where to put the charging. This charger is this one here. Yeah, so you put it here, right here. Then put it aside and we go to the big mother. Yes, the big mother. Here is the big mother. Here we go. You can see the big mother here now. When you open it, very carefully open it. Carefully open it. And here we go. So beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It's kind of diameter. It's not too small. It's big. And I can feel it's a bit heavy, that it cannot just fly around. It will stick down and do its work properly. So this is the front leg that will navigate, will go like has no boundaries, just go roll and roll and roll. So it can make a very quick corner under your bed or under your couch. And at the same time, this thing, as the manual says, I can just tell you a little bit of it. This thing always detects dust. So when it is on, when it will detect dust, it will stand by itself and go looking for the dust. So that's it. No, there's some other things here. So these are sweepers. They sweep. They go around sweeping, and as they sweep, that dust is not going outside but being vacuumed inside this thing. So there is no amount of dust will come out to your nose, or to, if you are allergic to dust, you will not feel it. It will be swept quickly and being eaten or smoothed in. So we have 4 of them here. That is for tonight or for today. There's nothing else inside this box. That's it for today. I wish you a good luck as you go and purchase yours, because we are going in a new technology each and every day. So this is an easy work for us. Bye bye. See you later in the next video how to use it.